But I asked before, what is the number one security threat to your business? And here's the answer: people. People are the number one risk to your business. Human error is the major factor in the majority of breaches, hacks, and such like that. Misaddressed emails, lost or stolen devices or passwords, confidential data that's sent to the wrong place. People, human error is literally the number one risk to your business because they're the ones who've got that access to your business data, right? In fact, 63% of insider related incidents can be traced back just to negligence or carelessness. Oops, I didn't realize that I sent this document to the wrong address. It was, something.ca instead of something.com, right? Or it was, I sent it to an info account, info at whatever account instead of sending it to a specific person in a company. Small things like that are probably the biggest things that give lead to these attacks coming into your company. People not paying attention to an email coming in, clicking on it before they've really taken a look at it to make sure that it's not a phishing or a spear phishing email. And as you've seen, it's so easy to miss the signs of what is a phishing, or especially those spear phishing emails, right? They're easy to click on without really thinking about it. Before you realize, you've clicked on the email and you didn't realize that, oh, wait a second, you weren't actually waiting for a document from anybody. Why did I even click on it? It's already too late.
Just yesterday, I got a text message and a phone call from a friend of mine telling me something about shoes. And I was like, I don't know what shoes you're talking about. And she goes, oh, wrong Heather. And then she called somebody else. And so I know that's an innocent example, but like that's the kind of thing that happens all the time. We could maybe try to deny that I'm not going to get hacked. I'm too small. We can tell ourselves that, even though it's not quite right. We can't tell ourselves that people don't make mistakes. Can't do it.
Exactly. And it's easy enough, right? And you don't have to be in a law firm for a mistake to be big. Let's say you're in promotional items, right? And you send a logo and all that kind of stuff to the wrong other business. Now you've given one business's information about what they're doing to another business. That can be a big deal. If you're in the medical field, and I know medical people hate using emails and such like that, but when they do, you can even fax to the wrong number, right? 1-800-943-2821 versus 1-800-943-2827. Right? And just small.
Yeah, sorry, Mike. I worked for a background screening company, and I was always very surprised that I could send people's social security numbers and give them away over the phone. No problem. It was addresses I had to be more careful with the rules, but even that, like, sometimes it would slip through a fax, and sometimes you'd get the wrong person on the phone, and you'd really be surprised by how many people could have your information, and then that just is more people that could spread it inappropriately by accident or otherwise.
Absolutely.